Alright, that's all pretty smooth. Again, we're not done. This is just one step in a very long process, but I get this roughed out pretty good, and I think I'm going to live with that. We just finished doing this side of the transfer ports. We worked this angle a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get into here. Some spots that always have little bumps and flaws are right down in here and right here. Go as far as you feel comfortable with. I'm going to go into this pretty deep, but I'm actually going to go through the whole thing. For what you're doing here, just go down as far as you can. I will caution you, when you get down in here, if you push straight and your bit's too big, it's going to get wedged between here, this side of the transfer, and that side, and you're going to bend it and you're going to put a big divot in. Not that you can't take it out, but you can just go in, just as far as you feel comfortable, probably 2/3 of the way down into this port, and you'll be all set. Running a single cut flame point tip. This surface, don't start cutting into this. This is where your gasket seals. You got room, but stay away from this right here. You can see down in here, you'll see what I'm talking about. Get a lot of little lumps and bumps in here. That's what we're chasing right now, right down in there. You can see a lot of flaws. I spent about an hour in the transfers, covered everything I could get to safely from this spot. As far as what you're going to do here, and what I want you to do is don't go any, get in as far as you can and stop right there, just cleaning off casting flaws. Same process as with the exhaust port. What we're going to do next is we're going to bluestone, and that's going to be it. You're going to use the stone to take out all of the grinding imperfections. Really work your radiuses, get it nice and smooth. Okay, basically we're done with the transfer ports. I hit them with the bluestone. Nice radius here. Lost all little lumps and bumps in here. Threw a nice radius down in here. These aren't knife edged. They're still flat at the top, but just barely. And again, remember the 7-degree rule, so this is all rounded off in here. Same thing on the other side. And I went in and I did the final work on the exhaust port in here, and this was done with a sanding drum. Still have to go in and hit it with the 600, but for all intents and purposes, for this exercise, the transfers are all done.